HTML, hypertext markup language is used to create web pages. HTML documents consist of HTML elements and their attributes. Each element is marked with an opening and closing tag. These tags are enclosed within angle braces. Except few tags, most of the tags have their corresponding closing tags. For example, HTML has its closing tag /HTML and body tag that has its closing tag /body tag, etc. There are several types of tags or elements in HTML. Structural markup. The structural markup tags describe the purpose of the text. These consist of headings H1 to H6 and paragraph P tags. Most browsers display these in a default style, but we can use cascading style sheets or CSS to style the contents of a web page. Sometimes style attribute is also used in the tags to format the HTML document. Presentation markup. The presentation markup tags describe the appearance of the text, irrespective of its purpose. Some of the presentation tags are listed in this table. Tag description. B. Defines bold text. This is only for visual effect. Strong. Defines strong text. Strong here indicates important information. A screen reader software will interpret the B and strong tags differently. Most browsers display strong as bold text. Big defines big text. Small defines small text. I defines text in italics. This is only for visual effect. EM defines emphasized text. This tag indicates emphatic or important text to the screen reader software. It is displayed as italics in most browsers. SUP defines superscripted text. SUB defines subscripted text. Hypertext markup. The hypertext markup is used to link elements of HTML to other elements on the same page or another HTML page. The anchor or A tag is used for this purpose. It creates hyperlink in the document by using its href attribute. Images in HTML can also be made into hyperlinks. HTML lists. You have probably seen information presented in the form of lists on a web page or in a MS Word document. Why do we need lists in a document? Most people browse the internet in a hurry and want to extract the relevant information from websites by skimming through the pages as quickly as possible. They do not really read all the text. So organizing your information in a list of precise points is a good practice to make your web page more user-friendly. In HTML, each item in a list is marked by a li tag. A group of these tags is then nested in a container tag. There are two kinds of lists that are indicated by two kinds of container tags. Ordered list. This kind of list is numbered. It is indicated by a container tag OL. Example of ordered list. P tag. Answer the following questions. /P. OL. LI. Name of the dog who went into space first. /LI. LI. Who invented the internet. /LI. LI. What is the rhino's horn made of? /li/OL. This will display in the browser as unordered list. This kind of list is bulleted. It is indicated by a container tag UL. Example of ordered list. P tag. Answer the following questions. /P. UL. LI. Name of the dog who went into space first /li. Li who invented the internet /li. Li what is the rhino's horn made of /li/ul. This will display in the browser as HTML tables. HTML tables are used to display tabular information on a web page. Tabular representation of data helps to organize information in a more presentable manner. Tags used in HTML tables. Table. The table tags. Table and /table are the container tags of the entire table. All the table design and information is specified between these tags. Table row. A table row is a single row that contains at least one data cell. It is marked by the tags tr and /tr and is nested inside the table tag pair. You can have as many repetitions of table rows inside the table tag pair as you need. Table data. A table data is the individual cell in a table. It is marked by the tags td and /td and is nested inside the tr tag pair. It is repeated inside the tr tag pair as many times as the number of columns in the table. HTML code shows a table with 2 rows and 2 columns. Add border to tables, border attribute. If we don't set the border in a table, then the table border is invisible. In the above table, you will observe that we have set border is equal to 1. Let's look at another example. To display a thicker border, we can set border to a greater number. Add background color, bg color attribute. The attribute bg color is used to change the background color of the table, row or table cell. It is possible to specify a different color for each row or even each cell. The example shows how we set the background color to the entire table. Also notice that the table color is set to 0 to hide the border. Now look at an example with different background for first row and individual cells in the second row. Row span attribute. Adding this attribute to the td tag, it stretches or spans over more than one rows vertically. In the example above, the yellow cell of row 1 stretches over 3 rows and the green cell of row 2 stretches over 2 rows. Also notice that the colors have been specified using color codes rather than color names. These color codes are freely available on the internet. Call span attribute. Adding this attribute to the td tag, it stretches or spans over more than one columns horizontally. It can span all or some of the columns as desired. In the example above, the yellow cell of the first column spans over 3 columns. Text alignment in tables. The align attribute used to align text in table cells. If we specify alignment at row level, then it applies to the whole row. It is not possible to specify attributes column-wise. Alignment specified in td tag. Alignment specified in tr tag. Set width in a table. To specify the width of a table or column, we use the width attribute. We can specify the width in pixels or percentages. If percentages are used, then they should add up to 100%. Notice the cell padding and cell spacing attributes. Cell padding. Cell padding sets the distance of data within a cell from all 4 sides. It's like a margin around the data. Cell spacing. Cell spacing sets the space around each cell in a table. To move the cells far apart from each other, you must increase the cell spacing. There can also be a table inside an existable table. This is called nesting. A nested table begins and ends between a TD and /TD tag pair in an existing table. Nested tables are out of scope of this book.